On November 4th, 2024, deputies located a stolen vehicle parked outside a McDonald's. But what officers discovered inside the car, including a loaded firearm and conflicting identities, would quickly turn a routine stop into something far more serious.
Go ahead, back up. Back up. Face away from me. Back up. Back up. Hey, come over and get hands. Back up.
Keep coming towards us. Keep coming towards us. Back here. Back here. Back here.
Back up.
Back here.
Back up. Back
over
up.
Here. Over here. This way. This way. Right here. I got it. I got it. Yep. Just keep covering.
Anyone else in the vehicle besides grandbaby?
I can see some.
Your daughter? Okay.
Yeah.
How old's your daughter?
She's 4. She's 24.
24. Okay.
Sir, can we use the phone to call my brother or somebody?
Got a bro, Fox truck here.
Can I at least call
Stay in the
family?
car. Stay in the car.
1 second.
Hold on.
Sir, can we at least get our stuff? Can you help? Sir, can you help us at least call some help? Because we got the baby with us.
Okay, for 1 second. Step back for a second. Step back for a second.
Where are we at right now?
You're in Palm Coast.
Palm
You can have a
Coast?
seat. She good?
Okay.
Good.
Sit down in the car seat.
Figure out, did you ask any weapons and how many other occupants? Just the granddaughter, I'm not sure. Come out with your hands up. We'll ask her. Are there any weapons in the car?
Yeah, my guns. Sir, can we please at least call
There's
for some
one
help?
gun in the car?
Yeah, it's...
Is it a pistol?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
There's a pistol in the car.
Keep backing up. Keep coming. Keep coming. Hey,
Yeah, I'm coming.
Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep
Back here.
coming. Keep
Back
coming.
here, back
Keep
here, back here,
coming.
back here.
Anyone else besides the child?
No.
Okay.
Why are you handling me like that?
We'll explain everything in just a second.
Oh, okay.
No one else besides the children?
No.
There's a pistol in the car.
Just my baby.
Just the baby in the car?
Do you have any weapons around here?
No.
Just gonna use the back of my hand just to check the hoodie. We go throw it in your car.
No, my baby.
I understand that.
Oh, okay.
Just part of our procedure.
Okay.
Any occupants inside the Toyota, announce yourself and surrender. Do it now. For a second, Bravo Fox Trap Security.
Clear back here. What's wrong?
You okay? You okay?
Clear.
Any shoes in there for her?
I don't see the other one. But let me just move my car real quick. I see the other one.
Alright, go ahead and send her. Hey, sweetie. Hi.
Want help with your shoes? Need shoes.
You got one.
I can have to do 15 cents if you said doing 12.
There you go. We got one. Oh, I know. See if I just could get it. One shoe. Oh, you gotta put it on. That's what the thing was. Do these shoes not fit you? Where'd it go? Oh, there. There we go. One and two.
Once the situation was under control, officers shifted their focus and began questioning the suspect.
Yeah.
Okay. Scroll the window down.
One second. Yeah, we're still doing the investigation, so we got to figure out exactly what's going on. Okay. But we're not just gonna. We're not. You're not standing there to take up the time to do our stuff. We're definitely trying to facilitate.
What's your first name, ma'am? What's your middle name? Can you spell that for me? Who? The child? No. If we can we haven't gotten there yet. Our plan is to let the child go with somebody in family if we can make that happen. Like I said, we still got to figure out what's all going on here. But I'm about to go ahead and talk to you. I just got to get your name and stuff, and then we'll talk about it, okay? What's your last name? Hanks. Okay, what's your birthday?
Juliet 22.
Alright. So you're in handcuffs, not free to go. Obviously, we're conducting an investigation, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say may be used evidence against you. You have the right to talk to an attorney, have him or her within time during questioning. If you cannot afford an attorney, won't be appointed to represent you. If any time we stop talking, have an attorney present, on question, we stop your request. Do you understand these rights? Okay. Alright. Where are y'all coming from? Palm Beach. Okay. Where did you get the car? A rental car? Okay. When did you rent the car? Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Like, what time frame? Okay. Where'd you rent it from? 6 rental car? Okay. Where at was the rental company? Like, where'd you rent it from? In Georgia? Okay. Can you give me maybe an estimated time frame of how long you've had it?
A little bit now.
Like month, 2 months, couple months. Okay. When were you supposed to have the car back by?
I just kept extending it.
You kept extending it. Okay.
Are you gonna let my daughter go?
Yeah, we're trying. Like I said, so what we do is during the whole thing, obviously we secure all the occupants. Obviously, we're not going to secure a baby. Obviously, that's a little crazy. But we're trying to figure out what's going on. Are you the one who rented the car? Okay. So your name's on the rental agreement, all that kind of stuff. Okay. If that's what all it comes to, and she has nothing to do, was she with you when you were in, or did you pick her up from somewhere? Okay. Where'd you pick her up from? Palm Beach. Okay. And you're coming back from Palm Beach, going back to Georgia. Okay. Is your driver's license, ID card out of Georgia? Okay. All right. Besides the gun that's in there, is there any other weapons, anything like that? Okay. Is the gun yours?
Yeah.
Okay. How does Georgia work? Do you have to have a permit, anything like that, to have a gun or something?
Not for your car.
Okay. Okay. All right. Let me go.
My permit was from Florida.
For like a concealed carry permit? Okay. All right. Let me go talk to her. Like I said, we're waiting to hear back from, because the car was entered stolen. Okay. I don't know. Like I said, the agreement between you and the rental car company, I don't know anything about that. I don't have access to that. What we do is we're sending a hit confirmation to Georgia to find out if confirmed stolen, all that kind of stuff. If they confirm it, then we can kind of get some more info and find out if you were supposed to have it back at a certain time, if you failed to return. Again, we don't know until we figure out from them, so we're just waiting to hear from them right now. And we're just kind of getting an idea of what happened, so that way if they go, hey, here's what we got, and then kind of go from there. But as of right now, you're detained pending the further investigation, okay? If everything is confirmed that what you're saying, Yes, like if she has nothing to do with the vehicle, she'll be free to go. Like I said, as of right now, you're both detained because we're pending the investigation of the stolen vehicle. Okay, we're waiting to hear back from Georgia what the whole concept or idea is right now. We don't know until we get that confirmation back. So it's kind of a waiting game. But in the meantime, we're trying to figure out, hey, what happened? What's going on? You know, obviously, if it's a rental and it failed to return, that's between you and them. What? So you had your vehicle actually popped up stolen on the readers. So, like I said, what happens is they enter the vehicle stolen into the system, and as soon as your license plate hits a traffic camera or something, it pops and alerts that, hey, this is a stolen vehicle. And that's kind of where we're at. And unfortunately, I happen to be here for a completely separate reason. I was trespassing a lady who stole, and something about it, they're like, hey, the vehicle, and we're over here. So, wrong place, wrong time right now. So, yeah, what's up?
Are we able to get the phone so that we can call?
Yeah. So let us finish kind of what we're doing, and then we'll work with you on that. We just have to do some things we have to go through first, and then once we get there, we'll work on that. Okay, I promise. So give us just a minute. Do you have air? Are you good back there right now? Yeah. Okay.
Towanda Hanks was arrested and charged with grand theft of a motor vehicle and possession of a firearm during the commission of a felony. The vehicle was confirmed stolen out of Georgia, and the firearm recovered at the scene was taken into evidence. One passenger was released after the investigation, while authorities documented multiple false statements provided during the stop. All evidence, including bodycam footage, was submitted as part of the case, which will proceed through the appropriate legal process. If you enjoy content like this, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out the next video. Watch the video playing right here in the center right now, and find out what happens when you think you're smarter than law enforcement. Subscribe to Police Axie and Cam and hit the notification bell.